Oh, he wouldn't. What is going on, guys? So I have my check engine light again. It's the same thing, the same sensor. I haven't been using it for what, a week, and it came back already. Anyway, we're going to go do some errands. I'm gonna ship that package right there at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's right, guys. I do sales on the side because I like it. I think it's good money. It's not steady money. That's why I do it on the side. But it's good money, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna go to the post office real quick and send this baby out. Let me see if it goes into the manual mode. Ooh, it goes into manual mode. It's liking it. It's liking it. Now, in today's topic, we're gonna talk about people following me from social media. At least from one social media. This channel has been steady, going strong. I lose some, but I gain more. That's what it's all about, right? Now, in my social media, in Instagram, I noticed that when, look at this guy. Holy moly. Some people cannot have a license, man, I'm telling you. I've noticed that on Instagram, as soon as I posted that video of expressing my thoughts about street takeovers, I lost a couple of hundred people. Not 100, but I think like maybe like 25, 30 people. And I'm like, wow. That's how immature those people were. Because let me tell you something. Life ain't all sunshine and rainbows. Life will beat you down, keep you there permanently if you let it. Where have you guys heard that from? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Freeway. Nowadays, people don't have values, man. Like, values and morals have gone down the drain like if it was dirt water. Nowadays, whoever has values, they are being viewed as negative or like the outsider. Like, get out of here, man. But for those who left on my Instagram because of that, then my boy, thank you. Thank you for leaving. Because now I have a more purified following. You know what I mean? And you will be seeing me, boy. Because it's not the end of me, and it's not the end of the world. How about that? Anyway, that is all I got for you guys for today. Don't bend over for nobody to grow in anything. You know what I mean? Like, yes, sometimes you need to be, how you say, lenient, but that doesn't mean that you have to change your views or your values for somebody or for a group of people, no matter what they believe in. Jeez. Wow. Woo. Oh my God. Well, on that note, listen, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace. Oh, he wouldn't. You got lucky, boy. He wanted to ride this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. He got lucky I didn't have space, boy. See how I caught up to him that easily? Come on, boy. Can't mess with this. Can't mess with this G.